Well, I take this extra cord I had from a old vacuum cleaner, and I'm gonna add the other end to it. I get the male is still on there, but need to add the female side. I'm gonna make myself a little extension cord out of it. It's like about number 16 wire, which is good for 13 amps, I believe. And that's good enough for what I'll be using it for. Okay, I got this 3-prong female plug for the other side of the cord. I need to take the cable clamp and gland off of it. Make sure I remember how it goes back together. The gland comes out of the middle. 2 screws, and then the clamp has got a little space in there to go into. Then I got to take the front off. Got 3 screws holding it in. This one I marked because it's got this little grounding surface that has to go in there. And this should expose your terminals. I got my wires, the insulation removed already, stripped. Now I'm going to check these lengths on them again. A little bit too long. I'm going to cut a little bit more off, because I don't want this part, I don't want these individual wires sticking out into the gland. So I'm going to cut it back just a little bit more. Not much. That should be enough, just about right. Okay, now I have my wires ready. Need to put my cable clamp and grommet on here first. Then the cover. Put my green ground wire onto the green screw. Neutral wire, also the green wire is connected to your oblong, almost round pin or hole, and your neutral wire goes to the silver terminal. The white wire is your neutral. Make sure you get a good tight connection. Like I said, the neutral goes to the large slot, and the hot wire is the black wire. It's connected to the smaller slot. Good tight connections. Okay, now you put your cover back on. Try to get that ground strap back in there. Okay, now you can put your grommet and your clamps back on. Now you got that little plate that sticks out. You got to find that hole for it. There's one side. Get your other side in. Then put your grommet back. Now you can put your clamp screws back on. The other screw in there and that clamp. Tighten up that grommet screws, the clamp screws. Get it even. Now when you tighten down this clamp screws, it tightens this grommet around the cable. Smashes onto the cable and holds it in place. Okay, I got my little extension cord ready. Okay, now I'm just going to test it with this little magnifying light. There you go. Got me an extra little cord here.